Let's talk about how to use Canva to make a green screen like this. I was able to take a picture of my cat and put her inside of a snow globe with a cool winter background. So how you can do that is you're just going to go to Canva and go to Home so that you're on this page here. Okay, and then you have to pick something with a photo. So I like to go to social media, and my favorite one to use is an Instagram post because that's the hardest one to make the sizing correct. And then you can post it anywhere you want. So I have this blank background, and I want a Christmas background. So I'm going to go to Elements, and I'm going to type in Christmas background. And I can choose any kind of background that I want. I like to do photos more so than just like clip art type of stuff. So I choose a photo and find something Christmassy or wintry, like this one with the Christmas tree. To make this the background, I click on these three dots and I go set image as background. So now this is my background. So I can take any picture that I want and put this in the foreground. So I'm going to go to Uploads. And right now I want to take a picture of, let's say you've got a picture of a couple friends. So I'm going to go to Upload Files, and I've got my Google Drive right here and my pictures that are here. And so now if I want to make something a little bit more Christmassy like this one, I can go open, and now my photo is over here, and I'm going to click on it so that it gets entered right here. And then if I don't want that same background, I just hit this BG remover and it removes the background. Okay, so and there's just this Christmassy picture of possibly you and a friend of yours. Okay. To download this, you're going to hit share, and then you've got to hit download. And I would download this as a PNG so that you have it in picture format in order to do that.